Say Python class 4, Python basic syntax. Python class 4, Python basic syntax. Last 3 classes. First class, Python programming language syllabus. Second class, introduction to Python programming language. Third class yesterday, Python programming environment setup. Next today, Python basic syntax. Python basic syntax. See, first download and install Python software. Yesterday we did. Launch Python shell or IDLE, integrated development and learning environment. Next, write and execute Python statements using interactive mode or script mode. Interactive mode or script mode. Observe Jared, Python, say in any software language, any software programming language, programs can be or statements can be written using 4 or 5 components. In Selenium also, Python also. Observe Python programs. Python programs can be written using keywords, Sakila, keywords. What is another name for keywords? Another name for keyword, Akila. I think Lata can say. Lata. What is another name for keyword? Keyword, programming keyword. What is another name? Okay, Sandhya.
Sir,
Nobody
no.
responding. Jadid.
I forgot, sir.
Sir, modifiers.
See, in this nodes also available. Observe here. Third point.
Oh.
Reservoirs.
Reserved words.
Okay.
See, in this chapter, I am planning 6 topics. Modes of programming in Python, Python identifiers, Python keywords are reserved words. Next, lines and indentation, comments, and quotations in Python. Keywords, another name, reserved words. Okay. Python programs can be written using keywords. Next, identifiers. Next, built-in functions, okay, built-in or user defined. You can use user defined functions also, Lata, for writing code or for reducing the code size or code reusability. Okay, you can use either built-in functions or user defined functions, Jaded. And next, Jaded, modules. Modules are code libraries now.
Yes, sir.
Added keywords, identifiers, functions, modules, modules, data, and special characters. Data and special characters. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Akila, Python programs can be written using what are the components?
Words. Identifiers.
Keywords, identifiers, continue.
Comments.
Comment comes under data. Comment is message na.
And,
Data or value. Suppose int, not here, no data types. Suppose x equals to 100, that is data. Suppose
Oh.
comment, it is my first program, that is data or value or message. Okay, comment is not a programming rule now. If you don't write comments in your program, then what will happen? You can execute your programs, you can get desired output. Comments, writing
Yes, sir.
meaningful comments is best practice only. Okay, now tell me, Python programs can be written using keywords or reserved words, identifiers, functions, modules,
Modules.
data, and
Yeah.
special characters.
Special characters. Yeah.
Suppose x equals to 100. X is identifier, equals to is operator, assignment operator, but basically it is special character. 100 is data.
Data.
Suppose if you write if code block, if x greater than y colon is special character. Syntax. Okay, now
Yes, sir.
observe. Next, we planned 6 topics. One is modes of programming. Modes of programming. Python has 2 modes of programming. Added 2 modes of programming. What are they? Added. One is
One is interactive mode and
interactive.
yeah,
Interactive mode.
and another one is script mode. Or what was that?
Another one is script mode
Script mode or
file mode.
what was the other name, sir?
File mode. File.
Oh yeah, file mode.
Okay. Notes I will send. Observe my explanation. First, the interactive mode. After installation of Python, you can get Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, or you can say Python shell. Launch that Python shell. How to launch? See, start menu. Here, where is the Python? JKLMNOP, Python. Click this folder. Here Python IDLE is there. IDLE Python. Launch this one. Just a minute. It is taking time. Okay. Now this is interactive mode. If you write Python statements in this shell or IDLE, it is interactive mode. It is not file. It is not script mode. Interactive mode provides us with a quick way of running a single statement or block of statements of Python code. The code executes via the Python shell, which comes with Python installation. Interactive mode is handy when you just want to execute basic Python commands or you are new to Python programming. Okay, just a minute. Suppose it is quick way of execution, a Python statement or a Python block. Observe Jaded. Print hello Python. Print hello Python. Close parentheses or round brackets. No save. Just enter. It is providing output. See, editor as well as result console. Both are same. Tell. Suppose this is single statement. Jaded. Suppose code block. Suppose if just a minute. X equals to 100. Enter. Executed. No output here. X equals to 100. If x greater than 90, colon is code block symbol. Next, suppose print print x is big number, enter, no save, enter. What is the output? It will print x is big number.
Yes, sir.
X is big number now. I already told now. It is interactive mode is a quick way of running a block of code or a single line. See, hello print hello Python is single line. Next, this is if block of code. Next, advantages of this one, Lata. Identify Komalata. Advantage of this Python shell.
Will be useful
Sorry,
to run the code
ideal.
quickly. It
Helpful
will be,
when your script is extremely short and you
yes,
want
sir.
immediate result.
Results. Right.
Immediate result. Next, good for beginners who need to understand Python basics. Okay.
Right.
Next, disadvantages, Sandhya. Editing the code in interactive mode is hard, as you have to move back to previous commands. Observe, now I want to edit this message, Jadid, hello Python. Editing code is hard. Suppose I want to change this logic, x greater than 200. Editing code is hard. That already executed. If it is script mode or file mode, you can edit your code a number of times. This is one major drawback. See, editing the code in interactive mode is hard, as you have to move back to the previous commands, or else you have to rewrite the whole command again. Next, it is very tedious to run long pieces of code. It is only for short pieces of code. Okay. Next, observe Jadid. Second mode, script mode. What is script mode? If you need to write a long piece of Python code, suppose 10 statements, 20 statements, 50 statements, 100 statements, then interactive mode is not suitable. Script mode or file mode only suitable. If you need to write a long piece of Python code, or your Python script spans multiple files, the interactive mode is not recommended. Script mode is the way to go in such cases. In script mode, you write your code in a text file, notepad, text file, then save it with a dot dot py extension. See, notepad file default extension is txt, that is text file, but save with dot py extension, which stands for Python. On small note, you can use any text editor for this. If you are in the standard Python shell, you can click File menu, then choose New to open a blank file. After writing your code, you can run it by clicking Run command. Okay? Observe. I'm closing this one, Komalata. Python, launch Python shell. You can use Start menu. Otherwise, here, search, search box is there now. Windows search box.
Sir.
Here you can type Python IDLE. Just a minute. IDLE.
LE, sir. DEL.
Why it is not showing Python IDLE? Okay. Problem IDLE. Okay. Next, script mode. Jadid. I want to write multiple statements or long piece of code. For that, interactive mode is suitable. Interactive mode is a quick way to execute a single line or single block of Python. Now I want to execute multiple lines of code. For that, I am selecting script mode. How to create a file? File menu, uh, new file, create a new file.
Yes,
Here
sir.
you can write, code. Here you can write code. Suppose x equals to 100, y equals to 200. Next, if x greater than y, colon, next, print, uh, x is
The number.
just a minute, big number. Next, else block, line beginning. Else block is independent. If block is independent. Next, print y is big number, Sandhya. Y is big number. Save the program file. Save. Next, save. Suppose on desktop I am saving. My file name is sample. My file name is just a minute. Sample. Here, it is taking Python file, Sandhya. Python file extension is
Dot file,
Not
sir.
pie, sir.
.py. Okay, .py. Save. Okay. Next, run module or shortcut key F5. Executing now. Y is a big number. As per that logic, suppose x is 1000. Save. Okay. Run module. This time x is big number. This is result console. This is editor. Okay, na Lata? Any confusion?
Sir, I'm good, sir. Thank you.
Now identify, Akila, advantage of script mode. It is easy to run large pieces of code.
Yes, sir.
Next, editing your script is easier.
Easy. Yes, sir.
Editing your script. Suppose I want to change this x value 10. Just after editing, save. This time y is big number. So observe.
And result control is also in different screen.
Ah.
It is easy.
It is easy to run large pieces of code. Editing your script is easier in script mode. Next, good for both beginners and experts. Next, disadvantages, Jaded. It can be tedious when you need to run only a single or a few lines of code immediately. Next, you must create and save a file before executing your code. If it is interactive mode, you no need to save anything, just enter. Getting? Next, key differences between interactive mode and script mode, Sandhya. Key differences. First, in script mode, a file must be created and saved before executing the code to get results. In interactive mode, the result is returned immediately after pressing the enter key. Next, in script mode, you are provided with a direct way of editing your code, but this is not possible in interactive mode. Okay, notes I will send. Did you observe my explanation, Sandhya? Any confusion?
Yes, sir. No.
Python identifiers Python identifiers. Sandhya, tell me, Sandhya, what are Python identifiers? What are Python identifiers? Identifying with a name. A Python identifier is a name used to identify. Continue, Jadid. Used to identify a variable. A variable. Jadid, are you there? Not responding. Lata,
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
tell me, say yes or no. Don't be in silent mode.
Yes, sir.
I was speaking in mute mode, sir. Sorry, sir.
Mute mode. Okay,
I
cool.
didn't realize, sir.
Okay, cool. See, a Python identifier is a name used to identify a variable,
Functions,
function, next,
class,
function, class name, next, method,
object,
object, module,
yes, sir.
etc. Okay. In future, I will show. First, I will show variable and function. Just a minute. Observe, Lata. My country equals to India. What is this my country? Is it identifier or keyword or something?
It's an identifier.
It is identifier.
Identifier, sir.
Variable name. It is identifier.
Yes, sir.
Identifier. For example, def. Don't focus on this keyword. Def. It is function definition. Def. Add. Don't focus. Self. Num1, comma, num2, colon, suppose num1, colon, return, num1 plus num2, return num1 plus num2. This is one small function. Observe, Akila.
Yes, sir.
This add, what is this add? Function name.
Function.
Function name. Def is keyword for creating function. Add is function name.
Function.
It is identifier now.
Yes, sir.
You can use any meaningful name now.
Yes,
I am
sir.
using add. Why? It is for adding two numbers. What are the two numbers? While
Num1.
calling the method, while calling the function, we can provide the values dynamically. It is for adding any two numbers. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
It is for adding any two numbers. And one more thing, observe, Lata, num1, num2. What are these two? Num1, num2. Jared,
Identifier, sir.
pardon?
Identifiers.
Yes, identifiers.
Yeah,
These
it's
are
also
parameters now.
Sir.
We provide arguments for this one. Parameters. Num1, num2. Or you can use x, comma y. No problem. Okay.
okay, sir.
See, this is the best example. And I will create one class also. Observe. Suppose, don't focus. Class. Suppose car, class car. Okay. Suppose x equals to 1, 2, 3. Next, I'm creating an object. Suppose my object equals to car. My object equals to car. I'm creating one method in this one. Say if you create a function within class, that is called as method. Suppose def mul self. What is self? That we will discuss later. Don't focus on that one. Don't focus. Mul for multiplication. Just a minute. Suppose num1 into
Num2.
num2. I created object now. Call that method. What is the method name? Mul. Suppose my object dot mul arguments for parameters. Suppose num1 100. It is for multiplying any two numbers. Suppose 34. It is a returning value now. Returning value. You take one variable. Suppose x equals to print.
Print
Yeah.
X.
Just save this one. Run module. Oh, there is syntax error. Invalid syntax. Oh, invalid syntax. Yes. Here already self is there now.
Common, yes, sir.
Already self is there.
Right, sir.
Save the code. Run. Still return expected and intended block.
After line 8.
Pardon? Line 8.
After line 8, sir. Return should start from beginning.
Any problem? Expected and intended block after function definition on line 8.
Semicolon is required, sir. Yeah.
Just a minute. This is one block now. Def is one block now.
Yes.
Enter. This is the indentation, code indentation. Getting? You must follow code indentation. I just copy and paste. That is not correct. Observe. Colon is there. This is class block. Akila. Class block.
Okay.
This is indentation. Next, this is def block. Sub block. For this def block indentation required now. Why you are saying?
So does that X also need that indentation, sir? My object is equal to car, and then do we need to put this
no
in-
indentation. It is independent statement. Observe, my object equals to car. This is not belongs to class statement, class block. This is
Yes, sir.
main program.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Observe, this def block, these two statements only. My country, it is in main program. Class block up to this, these 4 lines. My object equals to car. This is independent statement. X equals to something, independent statement. Print X, independent statement. These are in main program. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Save, run. This time it will execute. Observe. We are calling this one now. My object dot mul.
Times.
100 into 34, 3400 now.
Yes, sir.
This is the only display statement in this one. Now observe in this example here 4, I think 4. Just a minute. Observe Sandhya. In this program, we have nearly 4 identifiers, Sandhya. My country, it is variable name, it is identifier. Add function name, it is identifier. Next, car class name, it is identifier. My object, it is object name, it is identifier. X variable name, it is identifier. Getting? Next,
Yes, sir.
num1, num2 parameters, identifiers. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Rise query, Jaded, rise query.
No query, sir. I got it.
And one small rule, Jaded. Python an identifier starts with A to Z or small a to Z or underscore sign. No other special characters allowed. Getting the point? An identifier
Yes, sir.
starts with a letter A to Z, capital A to Z, small a to Z, or underscore sign. Next, come to third point. This is about identifiers, Lata. Price query, Lata. Python keywords are reserved words, Akila. Python keywords are reserved words. Keyword means a key to the code. Suppose if is keyword. If you enter if, it will create if block. Python language developers who wrote some code in if block, if keyword. Getting the point, Lata?
Sir.
Suppose if you enter for, it will create, loop block. Python language developers used some code for. Getting?
Sir, can you please repeat, sir? I did not get quite understand the thing.
Suppose if you enter for, it will create loop block na.
Sir.
Suppose int I in range some loop block. Suppose if you enter def, def is keyword. If you enter def, it will create function block na.
Sir.
How it create? Suppose instead of def, if I use drf, it won't create. Why? It is not
It's not
keyword.
a keyword.
It's not keyword. Suppose if you use def, it will create function. Why? Python language developers. Python language developers are there na, PSF, Python Software Foundation. See, somebody developer Python na, Guido and
Right,
rest of author of Python, creator of Python. Next, some team developed further development. They used some internal code for def na.
Sir, predefined.
Predefined.
Keyword,
They
keyword.
define. If user enters, if programmer enters def in editor, you create function. Class in editor, you create class block. Okay.
Yes,
Problem. Python keywords. See, we have nearly 33 keywords, I think, available. I will send the notes. I will daily we will use keywords. I will introduce some important keywords. Observe. Reserved words, also called keywords, are defined with predefined meaning and syntax in the language. These keywords have to be used to develop programming instructions. Reserved words can't be used as identifiers for other programming elements like name of variable, function, etc. Okay, here important keywords 33. I think version by version they are adding one or two keywords. Jaded. We have nearly 33 keywords, but I think 15 to 20 keywords we regularly use. We regularly use keywords. Can you identify regularly? Suppose control flow statements are there now. Control flow blocks of Python. If is one control flow block, it is keyword. Keyword. Next, else also keyword. It is control flow block. Sandhya. Else is control flow. Next,
Else if.
elif, no else if here.
Oh yeah.
Else if in Java. Here L is
Okay. In
Next.
Python, actually.
For next,
False true.
while next branching statements, break, continue, next, return. We use a return statement in function now.
Yes, sir.
Next, function creation, def, class creation, class, next, logical operators. See, most of the Python operators are symbols, Lata, plus, minus, asterisk, equals to, percentile, etc. Most of the Python operators are symbols, but some operators are keywords. For example, logical operators and are not. These are keywords. Next, uh, literals are there, jaded. Logical values. This is capital. Python is case sensitive language. Observe. Python is case sensitive language. All Python keywords are small letters, except literals. These are literals, Sandhya. True.
Okay, sir.
False. Logical
False.
value. None. In Java, true, false, null. In VB script, true, false, nothing. In Python, true, false, none. None
None.
means no value. Null means no value. Nothing means no value. See, these are
Is it
uh,
same as null?
pardon?
The none, is it same as null in Java?
Yes.
Okay.
Next, in. Just in is there. Next, import. Import keyword is there. We import modules. Next, pass keyword is there. Next, raise keyword is there. Raise. Next, for exception handling code. For writing exception handling code, Lata, we have except keyword is there. Except keyword is there. Try keyword is there. Try. Okay, na? See, these are the important keywords.
Yes, sir.
Is keyword
Yeah.
is there. Is keyword is there. None I already mentioned. Rise, return, true, try, while. Okay. These are the important keywords, Sandhya. Okay. Day by day, we will use these keywords. Nearly
sir.
33 keywords are available in Python programming. Next, shall I move to next topic, Akila?
Yes, sir.
You have any query? Ask me.
No, sir.
Okay. Lines and indentation.
Presentation.
Lines and indentation, jaded. Lines and indentation. Here two topics now. One is line.
Yes, sir. Line.
Lines.
And another one is indentation.
Lines. Next, second one is
Indentation.
indentation. Indentation means, what is indentation? Indentation is a way of telling a Python interpreter that the group of statements belongs to a particular block of code. Python uses indentation to highlight the blocks of code. White space is used for indentation. What is used for indentation?
White block of code.
White space.
Oh, please.
White space is used for indentation. Okay,
Okay.
first lines. Focus on first lines. Lata, a Python program is divided into a number of logical lines, and every logical line is terminated by the token new line. New line means just enter. Observe, Lata. Suppose, just a minute, x equals to 100. It is one logical line. This is one logical line. Enter. Enter means new line na.
Sir,
Next,
so we need indentation there.
for general statements, no indentation. Why
Yes,
you are asking this question?
Sorry, sir, I got disconnected in
Cool.
between.
Code indentation only for code blocks.
Okay,
Code
sir.
blocks.
Okay, sir.
If block means if block, else block,
Yes.
for block means conditional blocks, loop blocks, function blocks, class blocks, method blocks, only for blocks. If it is Java,
No,
in Java, code blocks enclosed with
curly braces.
curly braces. But in Python, code blocks use code indentation, white space before statement. Okay.
Right, sir.
Suppose VB script code blocks use start keyword, end keyword, if, end if, for, next, while, when. Just a minute. X equals to 100. It is not code block. It is just a statement, normal statement.
Mhm.
In Python, in Java also we use normal statement na.
Sir.
Int x equals to 100 semicolon. That is normal statement. Suppose system.out.println of hello Java world. That is a normal statement. Single statement, independent statement. Suppose if x greater than y, open curly braces, do something else, open curly braces, do something. That is code block. Okay na?
Sir.
No code indentation for independent statements. Okay. X equals to 100. Just a minute. Y equals to 200. Next, observe Lata, print x plus y. Print x plus y. Save the program. Run module. It will print 300, I think. 300. Now observe Sandhya. In this program, in this small program, how many logical statements are there?
One, sir.
3 statements na.
Okay, sir.
3 statements. A Python program is divided into a number of logical lines. Every logical line is terminated by new line. Here 3 new lines na. Then how you are save single line?
I
3
missed
lines.
as well, sir. I assumed only the print x plus one is logic.
No. That is output statement.
Okay.
If you don't have output statement, no issue. Suppose in your program 100 lines of code is there, only 1 or 2 output statements are there. That is different.
Okay, sir.
3 logical lines. 3
Sir.
logical lines. How many physical lines, Akila? 3 physical lines. Isn't it?
3.
3 physical lines, 3
Yes, sir.
logical lines
Yes, sir.
in this program. Next, split a logic. First, join multiple physical lines into one logical line using forward, backward slash. It is different now. Join. First, join using semicolon, I think. Semicolon. Save the file, run module. Okay. Now observe, Jared, how many physical lines available in this code?
It's a one. It's a only
One
one.
physical line.
Yes.
How
sir.
many logical lines?
Logical. There's two, maybe.
3 lines.
Oh yeah,
X
three.
equals to 100. That is 1 unit. Y equals to 200. That is 1
And then
unit.
print.
Print xy. X plus y. That is 1 unit.
Hmm.
3 logical lines. 1 physical line.
Yes.
1 physical line.
Physical line. Hmm.
Next, 3 logical lines, 3 physical lines. Generally, most of the time, Lata, physical lines, logical lines will be same most of the time. Okay. Next, join. We joined our physical lines. Sorry, logical lines.
Logical lines. putting
We
semicolon.
joined our logical lines using semicolon symbol. Okay. Next, split. Just a minute. Hello. Hello, Python. Save this one. Now tell me, Lata, how many logical lines available in this code?
One, sir.
1 line. How many physical lines?
One only, sir.
1 only. Run module. Hello, Python. 1 only. Next, just a minute. Backward slash. Split the line into 2 pieces. Just a minute. Save. Run module. Now observe. How many logical lines available?
1, sir.
1 logical line. How many physical lines?
2, sir.
2 physical lines. Okay, but most of the time, Jared, we have physical lines and logical lines are same. Getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, Jared, a Python programming is divided into number of logical lines. Every logical line is terminated by the token new line.
New line.
Next, join Python logical lines using semicolon symbol. Next, split Python logical lines using backward slash symbol. Okay, na? This
Sir.
is for join. Backward slash. This is for split. Next, come to this code indentation, Sandhya, code indentation. Already I told, Python indentation is a way of telling a Python interpreter that the group of statements belongs to a particular block of code. Python uses indentation to highlight the blocks of code. White space is used for indentation. It will take, you no need to provide spaces. See, where in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. But in Python, indentation is very important. Observe this point carefully, Lata. Suppose x equals to 100. If x greater than 90, enter colon. It is taking space, white space automatically now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
It is taking space automatically.
Yes, sir.
Big number. Now observe, if you run, it will execute. Run module, X is big number, it is working. Suppose if you don't use indentation it will take automatically. Suppose if you remove that one, now it will show error now.
Yes,
Run.
sir.
Showing error now.
Yes, sir. No indentation.
No indentation. In Python code editors, you no need to focus on indentation. After entering, after colon, enter, it will take indentation. It will take indentation. Run module. Okay. See, this is if block. Earlier I created a class block, def function block. Okay. Code indentation, white space. Next, I explained one point, Jared, where in other programming languages, the indentation in code is for readability only. But in Python, that is syntax. Just I will show an example. Observe. Where is my Eclipse IDE? Will it remove? Eclipse. Just a minute. Observe Lata, Java code. Wherein in other languages, indentation is just for readability. But in Python, indentation is syntax rule. It is taking time. Just a minute. Next, any other, this is about indentation. I will show. Java also. Next, comments in Python. Akila, comments in Python. What is comment? What are comments? Now observe. Oh. Just a moment. Just a minute.
This is Java.
Java. Just a minute. I will show one point. Where is that one? New class. Class name. Suppose class 7. Class 7. Observe my point, Lata. What I told, in other languages, code indentation only for readability. Suppose int x equals to 100. If x greater than 100, open curly braces, system.out.println, just a minute, system.out.println, x is big number. Same code I wrote in Java, Akila. Here it is, observe the 9th line. It is taking some space now.
Yes, sir.
This is only for no save. Run. It will print, I think, x is big number. X is big number.
I don't think so, sir, because x is not greater than 100,
Oh.
right?
Yes. Suppose 110. This is one-way condition now. It is one-way condition now. It will bypass the condition. This time it will print.
Sir, it will print now.
X is big number now.
Yes, sir.
Now observe here 9th line. Some indentation is there now. It is only readability. Next in Python, in this before print some indentation is there now. It is rule. ninth line in Java, it is uh, readability. Remove this one, no issue, no issue. Run, it will execute. It will execute. Next, if you remove space before that Python if block, it will show error now.
Yes, sir.
Now I completed this one. Jaded, any query Jaded? We completed
No, sir.
4
No
topics.
queries.
Modes of programming, Python identifiers, Python keywords or reserved words, lines and indentation. Indentation. Python uses code indentation for writing code blocks. What are the code blocks in Python? If block, else block,
Block,
else
yeah.
block, for block, while block,
Yeah.
def block, class block, etc. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Next, comments in Python. Sandhya, comments in Python. What are comments? What are comments? Comments, see, in computer programming, we have two important things, Sandhya. One is rule, another is standard. Rule
Okay,
means
sir.
we must follow. We must follow. Suppose uh, code indentation for code blocks, that is rule. We must follow, otherwise error. Suppose writing meaningful comments, that is not rule, best practice. Standard. Suppose if you write meaningful comments in your programs, then your programs are readable, best practice. Suppose if you don't write comments in your programs, no issue. You can execute your programs, get desired result. But writing meaningful comments is best practice. Here, Python supports Python. Python supports uh, single line syntax. Use hash sign before statement. Use hash sign. Next, Python doesn't have multi-line syntax, but using triple quotes, that string syntax, you can create multi-line comments. Multi-line comments. Other in Java, you single line syntax is there, multi-line syntax also there. Akila, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
What is single line syntax in Java? Recollect. What is single line syntax in Java? I think Akila can answer it. What is single line syntax in Java, Akila?
Sir, I don't remember.
No. Just a minute. Single line syntax. Single line syntax. Observe. It is a sample program. It is single line syntax now. Next, multi-line syntax. Jaded, multi-line syntax. Forward slash.
Yes, sir. Forward.
Sir, it's
Next.
not syntax,
and
right?
then-
Comment.
Hashtag sign.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yeah. Forward.
this is for comments, sir.
It's not
Yes.
syntax, right? It's comment, right, sir? Single line comment, multiple line comment.
For writing comments also syntax required now.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Of course, sir.
Don't confuse Lata.
I'm confused.
For
I'm
writing comment is not rule, but for writing comment syntax required now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, system grammar required. Okay. Next, in Python, we have single line comment using hash code. Hash, suppose a Python interpreter ignores that comment, ignores. Java ignores comments. Python ignores comments. All programming language. Suppose it is a sample program. It is a sample program. Suppose if you want to write multi-line comment, here no syntax available. No syntax, no official syntax available, Sandhya. No official syntax. In other languages, for example, Java, official syntax is there. But in Python, no official syntax for multi-line comment. Only single line comment. What is the syntax for single line comment?
Hashtag.
Use hash sign. For multi-line, remedy is there. Jaded, remedy is there. The remedy is use comment, what is that one? String syntax. String syntax. We have multi-line string syntax is there. We create multi-line strings using triple quotes. 1, 2, 3. At the end, use 1, 2, 3. Single triple quotes are three single quotes or three double quotes. Three double quotes. This is not a multi-line comment syntax. Sorry, this is multi-line string syntax. Okay, just a minute, Akila. Just a minute. I want to make all these multi-line comment. Suppose multi-line string syntax 1, 2, 3. End 1, 2, 3. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Three single quotes or three
Three double quotes.
double quotes. Three double quotes. This is about multi-line syntax. This is not official syntax. We use multi-line string syntax for creating multi-line comments. That's it. Next, last topic in this chapter. Last topic, quotation in Python. Quotation in Python. String is very important unit for any programming language. The Python accepts single quote, double quote, and triple quote to denote string literals, as long as the same type of quote starts and ends the string. Observe, the triple quotes are used to span the string across multiple lines. Observe, we use single quote or double quote, open and close, double quote. Next, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3 for writing strings. But Akila, we use either single quote or double quote for strings. Triple quote we use for multi-line strings. Getting this point?
Okay, sir.
Multi-line strings. Just a minute. Just a minute. Suppose single line string. Single line string. In not data type. X equals to. Otherwise, use direct print statement. Print. Single line. Just a minute. Last 2 minutes. Comment 1. Just a minute. For identification. Next, double quotes. N closed with double quotes. Next, N closed with triple quotes. Next, just a minute. Print 3 double quotes. 1, 2, 3.
There is take, yes sir, take out the other bracket, yes sir.
3, 4. Now observe Sandhya. First line I used a single quote for string.
Yes.
Second line double quotes. Third line 3 single quotes. Fourth line 3 double quotes. All are correct syntaxes. Save the file. Run module. Observe comment 1, 2, 3, 4 executing now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But here one recommendation, use either single quote or double quote for strings. Use triple quotes for multi-line strings only. Getting the point? Here I used triple quote for single line string, but use for multi-line string. Use it for multi-line string. How multi-line string? Just a minute. Some theory is there. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. Save. Run module. Observe multi-line string last one. Okay na? Why nobody responding?
Yes, sir.
Okay na, Jadid?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
For comments, Jadid, only single line syntax. If you want to write multi-line comment, for
Then we
that
can
you can use.
Yes, sir. The double or the triple.
For that you can use multi-line string syntax.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is
So
about
3
method.
double quotes also we can use, right, sir?
Pardon?
Yeah, I was
3
thinking the
double
same.
quotes for commenting.
Just a minute. Who is asking?
Akila, sir, Akila.
What is your problem, Akila?
The 3 double quotes can also be used, right, sir? We are using 3 single
Several
quotes.
times I told. Several times I told. Either 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes.
Double
Both
quotes
are
for
same.
multi-lining. Okay.
Both are same. Exactly same. You can use, but starting 3 single quote, ending also 3 single quote. Suppose starting 3 double quotes, ending also 3 double quotes. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Both are exact same. Observe, save, run module. Observe 2 times now multi-line comment.
Yes.
Now tell me, Akila, any problem?
No, sir, nothing.
Now observe Sandhya. I am going to close the today's session, Sandhya.
Sir.
Any queries?
No, sir.
Today we discussed what is the chapter? Python basic syntax. In that chapter we discussed nearly 6 topics. First one, modes of Python programming. Next, Python identifiers, keywords, lines and indentation, comments in Python, quotation in Python, and one more thing, Python is a case sensitive language. All Python keywords are small letters. Now I am going to close the session. Confirm one by one. First, Jadid, smart Jadid. Any query?
No queries, sir. I got it. Thank you.
Next, Akila.
No worries, sir. Thank you.
Welcome. Sandhya.
Sir.
Any queries
Thank
regarding this today's class?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Lata.
Sir, I had a little bit of question, sir. You said like in Python, we start with capital letters or small letters, capital A to Z or capital small a to Z, and with underscore. It's same as in Java, right, sir? I had
The table. Tell me.
you said that we are going to start either with
Start,
capital A.
start 3 single quotes.
No,
then
not this.
three-
In I think starting the name of the naming convention.
Yes, naming that is also same. Say Python keywords are small letters, but identifiers you can use small letters or uppercase letters. Suppose x
Or
equals
underscore.
to 100, or suppose a equals to 200. You can use, no problem. But if
Yes.
we use capital letter A, for entire program, you use capital letter A only.
While calling also, you should use capital only.
Yes.
Okay.
While calling, suppose print, use capital A only. If you use
So
small
if you
a,
use small a, it's different. Okay,
if
got
you
it.
use small a, it will show error.
Right, got it.
See, for identifiers, you can use either uppercase or lowercase. Identifiers are user defined. You can use either uppercase or lowercase. But if you use uppercase for any identifier, use the same case for entire program. Anyhow, one recommendation: Python keywords are small letters. So you try to use small letters for identifiers also. Getting?
Yeah.
Otherwise, you can use capital letters. No problem.
Got it.
Any other query, Lata?
No more, sir. I'm good, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, we will welcome. We will meet tomorrow, same time. Thank you.